If your dream vacation looks like paradise, you're in luck. Welcome to the Manta Resort. Nestled on the pristine shores of Pemba Island, the Manta Resort offers an unforgettable escape. Picture this, your own private underwater room, where you can watch vibrant marine life glide by while you relax in absolute tranquility. From sunbathing on soft sandy beaches to snorkeling in incredible coral reefs, every moment here is pure magic. And let's not forget the breathtaking sunsets that paint the sky in hues of orange and pink. But the Manta Resort is more than just a pretty view. It's a sanctuary where luxury meets nature. Enjoy world-class dining with locally sourced ingredients and unwind with a spa treatment that will leave you feeling rejuvenated. Whether you're seeking adventure or serenity, the Manta Resort caters to all. Embark on a guided island tour or simply lounge in a hammock with a good book. Here, every day is tailored to your perfect escape. So if you're longing for a getaway that blends natural beauty with unparalleled comfort, look no further. Book your stay at the Manta Resort and let your dream vacation begin. Remember, paradise is just a flight away. See you at the Manta Resort.